Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML, absolute URL, and relative URL. We've been discussing about it so long now, but right now we need it. That's why we want to talk about it. So, quickly, absolute versus relative URL. Both examples above are using absolute URL, a full web address in the href attribute, which is this http://top10trend.com. Inside here, this one is the one that makes it show on the browser. Without it, it will never show, because this is a text that we have to put inside in between our opening and closing anchor tag, a tag here. So that's why when we put this, it's going to show. You can put it, we can use this one also, we can put it in here also, it will show, but this one is very important most times. So quickly, let me show you what is going on here. A local link, a link to a page within the same website, is specified with a relative URL without the http www anything part. That is, when you are using the relative URL, because this file is inside a folder in our folder, or is inside another folder inside our folder, or is inside our current index page, definitely you are not going to put http or www, because it's inside our main, inside our own personal folder. So now this one may be our own link and it may not be our own link. It depends on where you want to link, when you want to take the URL from. So quickly, let me show you how it works quickly. Back to our document, save this and reload our page. Let's see how our document look. This is how our document look currently, and all this one there, let me click it. So now let's create a link quickly. So inside here, let's write http what, top10strand.com, save it. And now let's do something. Target, we've learned about target and blank. Let's use it also. And also, what again? Let's use a name so it can be able to display top 10 strand, top 10. Let me use top 10. So that's all we want to use right now. Let's reload it. Now it's display top 10. Let me, if I press it to open in a new tab, because we use target. That's the benefit of using target. Now you can see, so now let's close it. Now you can see. So now let's use it. Let's link this to an image in our folder here. We have inside our HTML file, we are having this image. Let's copy the name of this image. We have copied it. Let's come here and create a link again. Create a new link here. Let's write a link, and inside here let's paste the name. Now we've pasted the name. The name is top10strand-logo.png. So now before we show it, let me save it and reload our document first. Can you see it's not displaying because we haven't specified what the name here, image. Now let's specify the image. Let's reload it and see how it looks. Can you see it shows? Now when you click this, it's going to display on this same page. Click it. Can you see the image display on this same page? Now let's go and use the target. The benefit of using target. Quickly, target. When you use target, you can use blank, so it can open on a new tab. Let's reload it and open on a new tab. Can you see it open on a new tab? Now we'll do another thing again. Quickly, part of the thing we have learned so far, we will be using it gently, one by one. So let's use br elements to break the line, so that it can look more beautiful. So let's reload it. When you reload, you can see this one is has come down. Both of it's now aligned now. So this one now is another page, is in another place. You can see this one is also, so everything is looking nice now. Let us do another thing again. Inside our anchor tag, inside our href tag, you can see that this one file here is inside our what? Is inside our HTML folder here. So let's say we want to link to this image. We want to use the image here. The same thing, we will copy the link, but the thing we are going to do here is that we are going to copy the full part to this. We are having images here. So now let's say we are having you now say, because we are having images, this is how it's going to go. We are having images folder. Inside the images folder, you are going to tap. Now we want to use this image, top10strand.top10/logo. When we save it, it's going to show. It's still going to show again. Let's go back to our, let's see, let's reload it. You can see it show blue because we haven't pressed the image yet, because it's another page. that is another folder. That's why it display blue, because this one we have already pressed it. That's why it doesn't display blue. Let me click it now. Can you see? It's good. It shows. So that's what I want to show you today. I want you to understand this deeply. We are still going to talk about more things we can do with it. Again, we can style it anyhow we want, but I won't do that right now, so we can be able to go faster about this. I have a lot of things to show you guys. So let me start from today. Let me start from here right now today. Once again, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. So I wish to see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.